Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to our channel. So continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series. Here I came up with the 77th question written on the screen. And what is the problem statement of question given to us? For an arithmetic progression, nth term is n and sum of n terms is Sn. Given 981 by 2, 851 by 2 as the first, 10th and last term. Find the value of 4 upon n Sn plus 2 times of A70 is asked to us. So A1 is 9 given to us, and 10th term of that arithmetic progression is 81 upon 2 is given to us, and last term, that is nth term of that arithmetic progression, is 851 upon 2 is given to us. And what is the value of this expression they are asking? What will be the value of 4 upon n Sn plus 2 times of A70 they are asking? So guys, A10 can be written by me as A plus 9D is equal to 81 by 2. And A is 9 we are knowing. So we'll be going to write 9 plus 9D is equal to 81 upon 2. Now throughout the equation I'll be dividing by 9. So 1 plus D is equal to 9 upon 2. That means what? D is equal to 7 upon 2. Now as soon as I got the value of D, I'll be going to get the value of number of terms in this arithmetic progression by making use of an written over here. That will be what? A plus n minus 1 times of D. A value we are knowing, D value we are knowing, and n value we are knowing. So we may get the value of n over here. So that will be becoming what? 9 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 7 by 2 is equal to 851 by 2 it will be. Now throughout the equation I will be going to multiply with 2. So 18 plus 7n minus 7 is equal to 851 it will be. That means what? 7n plus 11 is equal to 851 it will be. That means what? 7n is equal to 840 it will be. That means what? N is equal to 120 it will be. That means the arithmetic progression have 120 terms in it. It has 120 terms in it. Now proceeding further guys, we'll be going to get the value of 4 upon n multiplied by Sn plus 2 times of A70 that was asked to us. 4 divided by n multiplied by Sn plus 2 times of A70. So n is what we are knowing, 120 we are knowing. So 4 upon 120, Sn will be what? N by 2 multiplied by, so that is n is 120 we are knowing divided by 2. A multiplied A plus L it will be. L is what we are knowing, 851 upon 2 we are knowing. A is what we are knowing, 9 we are knowing. So we may write it as 18 upon 2 plus 851 upon 2 plus 2 times of A70, that is A plus 69D. And what is the value of A we are knowing? A is 9 we are knowing plus 69 multiplied by 7 upon 2 will be our final answer. So proceeding further, 120 will be gone. This 2 will be getting cancelled, and 18 plus 851 will be remaining over here. Then plus 2 multiplied by 18 plus 69 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 will be coming over here. This 2 will be gone with this 2. Now proceeding further, 18 plus 851 will be coming over here, plus 18 plus 69 times of 7. 483 it will be. So now I'll be going to add up all the things. 483 plus 18 plus 18 plus 851. So 20 will be coming. 17 will be coming. 1370 will be the final answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my dear students.